Welcome to the introductory video to Java. So before we move on, let's first talk about today's agenda. In this video, we will first learn about computer language, then we will know what is Java. We will have a brief look into the history of Java, and we will end this video with knowing about what you can expect from this course or this Java course. So hello there, I am Archit Nath and I will be teaching you Java from basic to advanced. You can connect with me in LinkedIn. All my socials will be given in the description of this video. So before we move on to learning about what is a computer language, we need to know what is a language. So a language is basically a medium of communication. It helps us to communicate our instructions and expressions to someone in front of us. When that someone becomes a computer, we call that language a computer language. A computer is a tool that cannot think for itself. So in order to get our work done by this tool, we need to communicate our instructions to the computer. And we do this with the help of a computer language. So a computer language helps user to communicate instructions to the computer. Now computer languages have evolved over quite some time. And this evolution has been categorized into four generations. These generations are the first generation language, which includes the machine language, the second generation language including the assembly language, third generation language includes Java, Python, C++, and then comes a fourth generation language which includes language like Prolog, which stands for programming logic. So let's know or learn about what is Java. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language. Now I have taken this citation from Wikipedia. You can look forward to it if you want. So at first glance, this statement might look quite intimidating. It might not clear what Java is supposed to mean to you. So in order to understand Java even better, we need to divide this whole statement into various segments and then try to understand them in parts. Java is a high-level language. That means Java as a language is quite closer to the English clauses and phrases that we use in our daily lives. So it becomes easier for the user to program in Java. Java is an object-oriented language. That means we use objects in Java. We will learn more about objects later on in the future, but to simply say, objects help us to implement real-world properties like inheritance, hiding, polymorphism, etc. in programming. And then lastly, but not the least, Java is also a class-based programming language, which means that Java helps us to use the properties of classes. Classes are basically blueprint of object. Classes produce objects with common properties. Now this might not clear or clarify what a class is supposed to mean, but you do not need to worry about it, because later on in this course we will learn more about what is object-oriented programming, what are the different OOPS concepts, and we will also learn the implementation of classes. So stay tuned with me. Java was developed as a language for programming small electronic devices like television sets. But later on it was found that Java is too advanced for programming a television set. It was first called Green Talk by James Gosling. So James Gosling is basically the person who led the team that developed the Java language. Later on it was called Oak when it came under the Green project of the Sun Microsystems. And then in 1995 it was renamed to Java from Oak, as Oak was already taken by the Oak Technologies, or the name was already trademarked. Java is a growing language. It is getting stronger and stronger with every time. with time passes, and it's a quite a popular language as well, and that is the reason why we are learning it today. So we have come to the end of this video, and let's talk about what you can expect from this Java course. I have summarized it into 4 words. First, this course is short. This course is simple. This course is application based, and this course is easy to follow. Now, my main point of focus is the fact that this course is application based. I will focus more on teaching you the applications of what you learn rather than on theory. And that's why this course will be easier for you or be more helpful to you than any other course. And that is why I would recommend you to stay tuned till the end of this video or the course. And thank you for being till the end of this video.